Today's lesson is rounding on a number line, and all of the problems on this sheet will be rounding to the greatest place. When I say the greatest place, I mean the number all the way to the left. Whenever you're asked to round or estimate and it doesn't give you directions like round to the tens place or the hundreds place, you always go to the greatest place. So my example here was 58. The 5 is underlined, so we are rounding to the tens place. The value of the 5 is worth 50. And because we're working with the tens place, 10 more than 50 is 60. And we have 10 spots on our number line, so we count 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58 is 2 away from 60. It is 8 away from 50, so 58 is about 60. The next one, we're rounding number 31. A 3 in the tens place is worth 30, and 10 more than 30 will be 40. So 31 is going to be found between 30 and 40. This is counting by ones. 30, 30. 1 is right here. It is 1 place away from the 30. So 31 is about 30. See if we can focus that a little bit better. Next, we have 75. The value of the 7 is 70. 10 more than 70 is 80. 75 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right smack in the middle. And we know that anytime we have 5 or more, we always go up. Because this one's right smack in the middle, but with rounding or estimating, we always go up. So 75 is going to be about 80. Next, we have 94. 90 is the value of the 9 in the tens place. 10 more than 90 is 100. 94 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 94. 4 is less than 5, so we're going to go back to 90. 94 is about 90. I'm going to flip over and do a few on the back now. Now we're rounding to the hundreds place. Again, it is still the greatest place. 381. 3 is in the hundreds place. Its value class is 300. 100 more than 300 is 400. Because we are counting by hundreds here, tens is the next place. So these lines are each counting by tens. So this would be 300, 310, 320, 330, and so on. So now I'm going to look next door, and I have an 8. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This right here is going to be 380. It doesn't matter that the number is actually 381. The 8 here is the one that has power. And the 8 is going to tell us that we are closer to 400. We were only 2 spaces away from 400. So 381, rounded to the hundreds place, is about 400. Last one for this video, we have the number 729. We're rounding to the hundreds place. A 7 in the hundreds place has a value of 700. 100 more is 800. The next place over from the hundreds is 10, so these are counting by 10. 710, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 790, 800. I have a 2, so 720, 10, 20, is here. Could I technically say 729 is like right here? Yes. But it doesn't matter what's in the ones place. What matters is the digit right next to the one we are rounding. That's the one with the power. A 2 is only 2 places away from 700. It is 8 spaces away from 800, so 720 or 729 will round down to 700. Good luck finishing up the worksheet.